वर्साक 33,000 पेशंट हे एडमीट जाता हॉस्पिसीन. म्हणजे हांव नकळो मिनिस्टरान पळयलां आसतलें, म्हणजे ताजे स्टॅटिस्टिक्स सांगता वर्साक टोटल, म्हणजे अशें ज्या टोटल ताजोच रिप्लाय आसा हांगा ते पळयलें जाल्यार म्हयन्याक, म्हणजे हांव कित्या खातीर सांगता, एका वटेन ओपीडी आसा, ओपीडीचे यू सी द फिगर्स, पेशंट कितले ओपीडीक हें करता ते. दुसरे वटेन पळयलें जाल्यार तुगेले कॅज्युअलिटी आसा, कॅज्युअलिटीक तुजे जवळ जवळ दिसाक 120 पेशंट कॅज्युअलिटीक येतात. दिसाक ट्रिटेड इन ओपीडी 500 पेशंट पर डे ओपीडीक येतात. तुजे डॉक्टर्स आसा ती स्ट्रेंथन ना, मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स कमी आसा, कन्सल्टंट्स कमी आसा.
स्पेसिफिक एक प्रश्न
to bring to his notice a specific patient, and at least I have to tell him based on statistics what is the situation. Otherwise तो म्हणटालो नो येस जालें काबार. ते पेशंट हाडलो जाल्यार पेशंटाक पळोवपाक दोतोर नासता. आमकां लोक पेशंटाचे सोयरे फोन मारता, दोतोर कोण अजून येवना, कारण दोतोर शॉर्ट आसा थंय. ते दोतोर थंय ओवरलोडेड जाता. तुजें लिफ्ट चलना, तुजो स्कॅन चलना. म्हणजे म्हाका मोर दॅन 2 वर्सां तुवें हाडिल्लो आसतलो तो त्या वेळाचेर नवो स्कॅन तुजे वेळार घाल्लो आसतलो तो. ताजे फाटल्यान कितें जालें हांव नको. दॅट स्कॅन इज नॉट वर्किंग इवन टुडे. यू हॅव ऑल्सो एडमिटेड इन युअर रिप्लाय दॅट स्कॅन इज नॉट वर्किंग. सिन्स वेन इट इज नॉट वर्किंग अँड वाय नो स्टेप्स वर इनिशिएटेड टू रिप्लेस द स्कॅन. म्हणजे कितें जालां स्पीकर सर, हॉस्पिसियो हॉस्पिटल टुडे इज फंक्शनींग लायक ए पोस्ट ऑफिस. म्हणजे हांव एग्जाम्पल दितां, हांव नको इजिदोराचेर कशी पोजिशन आसा थंय. काणकोणच्यान समज एक एक्सिडेंट जालो, काणकोणचे एक्सिडेंट क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांत ताका हॉस्पिसी हाडटा. क्लोजेस्ट हॉस्पिटल इज हॉस्पिसियो हॉस्पिटल. थंय न्युरोसर्जन ना, थंय स्कॅन ना. मागीर कितें करप ताका काडटात, दवरतात, एम्बुलन्स सोदतात, एम्बुलन्स येय पर्यंत आनी एक 2-3 वरां थंय रावतात, ताका घालता एम्बुलन्सी, हाडटा जीएमसी. दीस इज द सिच्युएशन. And that is why I want that at least till the new hospital is commissioned, will you take steps to improve the functioning of this hospicio hospital, what I have mentioned to you and what your reply has given me. Your reply clear ha, lift chalna, scan na, bed seats na, bed seats.
On a regular 3-day basis, we get a mail, I get a mail every day from Hospicio, exactly the number of admissions that take place in Hospicio. What is the situation in Hospicio? I have added additional doctors in Hospicio. And as Honorable Member has himself said, we in our answers, I have given a comprehensive answer of exactly what is happening in Hospicio, because there is nothing to hide as far as the Hospicio functioning is concerned. Honorable Member raised concern that the new hospital should get ready. We all want that the new hospital should get ready. It is proposed somewhere in May 2018, but till then, we are ensuring that you have additional doctors. Already I have posted and taken out surplus doctors from different parts to put them and make them available in Hospicio. We don't want people to move from Hospicio and just be dumped onto Goa Medical College. But as you have said, there is tremendous amount of load on the gynec section, pediatric section and all in Hospicio. Every day's mail and report from Hospicio and Asilo is being specifically monitored by me. As far as the CT scan goes, the CT scan, they have already done a buyback with Siemens. They have done a buyback with Siemens and that machine is expected to come by the first week of August. The machine is supposed to be commissioned by them. They said it is being imported. Already order has been placed. This will be placed in in the hospital. And I think by end of August, we should be able to commission this machine. This has already been purchased. And as far as the lifts are concerned, both the lifts are working. And I want to also draw the attention of Honorable Member, Shri Digambar Kamath, is that as far as the manpower is concerned, now what I give you is the sanction strength of 59 less 16. No, I'll just draw your attention to one point. In addition, we have got 7 doctors under contract under NRHM posted there, and we have got another 12 staff nurses in addition to the sanction strength of the hospital. The load is tremendous on Hospicio. And I am in constant touch with Dr. Aira on a regular basis. How she says she needs another 3 to 4 doctors to see that everything is streamlined. Now, if I have to pull out these doctors, I have to get these doctors from other PHC or CHC. So I have a shortage of doctors. We are in the process of recruiting more doctors to see that Hospicio functions. But one thing I will assure you, that from wherever I have to provide those 3 to 4 additional doctors what she requires, I will do it in the next, now the code is applicable, but I don't know whether we can get exemption.
Only for North Goa.
No. So we will provide you another 3 to 4 doctors in Hospicio so that all your things are all streamlined. I agree with you when you need a radiologist to read a scan. Neurosurgeon and consultant which you are requesting Even if I put a consultant, a neurosurgery person there, he cannot operate in today's hospicio. That is the factual position. And that's why Honorable Chief Minister has also been monitoring the new hospital which is there. You are aware of the whole situation. You are aware about the plans. No, I'll just draw your attention. It's easy for us to say we will put the doctor available there. But you need a radiologist there. Continuous radiologist, so that I will put a radiologist. I will make sure and I assure you that it will be done.